Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app font download error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your app is not downloading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings app here, just scroll down, go to device care option, select device here, select storage, and you just have to make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, almost 15 to 20 GB free, or minimum 10 to 15 GB free with internal storage to download and install any app as well. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode or your flight mode to have a quick refresh with your all network settings. And once you have done, open your Play Store here and retry to install that app. I recommend you have to only use your Google Play Store to download or install apps without using any third-party download manager like your Galaxy Store or any other app store if you're facing the issue. So I recommend you how to use only Play Store for that app. Then go to Play Store, click on this profile icon over here, click on settings, scroll down, go to about, and here click on update Play Store to update your Play Store app. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to keep a long press on your Play Store app, click on this info button, and here just go to storage, select clear cache. You can also try to clear data. And once you have done this, go back, click on forward stop, click OK. Now once you have done all of these, you don't have to open your Play Store now. Before you go to settings app here and go to software update and just make sure that your software is up to date. You might have an impending software update here. If you find this, try to update your software, then just go back from here and scroll on your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just click on this restart option again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.